Today I am reviewing the Nomad portable packable internet solution for those on the road and on the go. Everything you need fits into this bag, which is pretty crazy. What the bag comes with is a backup power bank that lasts for about 7 days, and then the modem itself. This thing has been super easy to set up and operate. One thing you need to do, which is just plug this in to a power source, and then the Nomad internet will start up automatically. Devices like this, you just never know. This is definitely more of a luxury item at camp, guys. So Nomad essentially has two plans. One is an unlimited 200 megabits per second download, relatively cheap for a monthly subscription. I think their subscriptions start about like 40 or 50 bucks a month. Similar to Starlink, where you can kind of like pause the billing for a little bit and then resume it. You can do that up to 3 months. What's really cool is this 7-day battery backups.